Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to bisect an angle. So what I've done is for this video I just drew a random angle with my set square and my t-square, and the 2 points at which the arms meet is called the vertex. So this is an arm and this one here is an arm. Okay, so for this construction we are going to use our compass. You could also use your protractor, but the compass is a really quick way to be able to get it. And also, if an angle is to a decimal place, it can be quite hard to do that on your protractor. So therefore, we use our compass. So what we do is, you can select any distance. So I'm going to select that distance there. Okay. And the key thing to this construction is, once you pick how wide you want your compass to be, it has to stay at that width. So it might be worth an idea to pop it down in your t-square and measure it. So I'll put mine to 30 millimeters or 3 centimeters. Okay, so that way if I'm drawing and my compass moves or anything like that, I can just go back and pop it to my 3 and the question will still stay perfect. So what I do here is I place the tip of my compass, so the metal bit, I place that at the vertex, and then I scribe an arc on this arm and on this arm. Okay, that is step 1 complete. And then what I do is, instead of keeping my tip on the vertex, I move the tip of my compass to where those 2 lines intersect. So where the small little arc I created and the arm intersect is what I do. And then what I do is I scribe an arc there and scribe an arc there. Okay, that is step 2 complete. And I can see on my laptop screen that looks a little bit hard to see. So I'll go over to super light and pen. There we go. Okay. And the next thing we do is you just get your set square and line it up at the vertex and bring it through that crisscross. Okay. And that is how to bisect an angle. So to prove this, that is exactly halfway, that this angle here is equal to that angle there, what I'll do is I will draw a 90-degree angle on this side with the hope that my construction will create a 45-degree angle. So what I'm going to do is draw a horizontal line across and draw a vertical line going up. So what I want to do is I want to bisect this angle here on the right hand side. So the exact same thing, I can get my compass and I can bring my compass out at any distance, but I'm going to just use this as a reference point. So I'm going to bring it out 5 centimeters. I'll just have it lined up there just in case my compass moves on me. Place it on my vertex, which I forgot to label. Okay. And then what I do is pop the tip of my compass on the vertex, scribe an arc, scribe an arc. It might be a little bit hard to see, so I'll just go over them super light with the pen. Now what I can do is, keeping my compass at the same distance, move the tip of my compass to where the arc intersects the arm, scribe an arc, come over to the other one, scribe an arc, and now we have an intersection. And I can see we can actually see that quite nicely on the camera, so I won't go over that one in pen. And now what we can do, we can line up our vertex through our intersection and make a 45-degree angle there. And a quick way of measuring that, I'm going to take out my 45-degree set square and I can put that alongside it and see if it works. So 45-degree t-square, bring it over, and you can see that it lines up perfectly. So this is how we bisect an angle.